Hi, welcome back to Becoming Kinwoven. I'm Rebecca Robeson and welcome to my home. You know, Christmas is just around the corner and I thought maybe I could squeeze in one last Christmas-related video before we finish out the end of the year. A special thank you to Samsung for sponsoring this video today. They sent me the most beautiful washer and dryer because guess what? My washer and dryer broke right before I was gonna leave for a trip to Denver. They knew Becky needed some clean clothes. Thank you, Samsung.
So I don't know if you guys have heard, but we have been doing lots of Christmas stuff around these parts. Is this the Texas one? No, that was previous. Okay, I need to switch back to California. I don't know if you guys have heard, but we have been doing lots of Christmas videos around here. Like totally. For today, we are gonna be jumping into a video all about how to prep to decorate your Christmas tree like a pro. I'm gonna share a couple of my secrets.
And you're gonna get to see, we're gonna go back and forth, which is super cool. We've never done this before.
Today, we're gonna tackle the grandiose staircase and show you guys some awesome tips on how to accessorize your home for the holidays.
I am so delighted to have you guys into my home so I can walk you through and show you what the Kinwoven color palette looks like in my home, in my living room, my entry, staircase, and in my dining room, of course.
So get ready and get excited. And we wanted to surprise them with an entire Christmas makeover.
And today, we're gonna take you with us as we go over to Kathy and Glenn's house.
Let's watch what we did for the Jimenez family. We Kinwoven women love our Christmas time, and there's nothing that keeps you in the Christmas spirit more than making some Christmas cookies. Okay, I'm adding sugar.
Do I turn this on now?
Nope, put the butter in first and then do it. Although one of us might be more the baker than the other.
Does this butter have salt in it?
Ricochet it around.
Okay.
One eggie.
You're so good at that.
My mom may not be the most natural in the kitchen, but what she lacks in that department, she makes up in Becky enthusiasm.
This is quite the production. Why am I doing all the work? You have to pour and I have to wrestle with this thing. Who knew mixing cookie dough could be such a workout? Why butter without salt?
Because I added a whole bunch of salt to it.
I never saw you put any of that in there.
You should watch the footage.
Did you wash your hands?
Did you?
No. And you know, when it comes to baking, that Shara, she is one smart cookie.
Here's what makes a good cookie. Extra vanilla. Refrigerating the dough before you bake it. You want to get different size baking chips and different flavors. So we have semi-sweet, we have extra dark, and then we have these mini guys, which are
they're super cute. Where'd you learn this? Pinterest? Now, it's not like pie dough, right? Where it gets tough if you knead it.
You shouldn't be kneading it, you should be folding it.
Oh.
Okay, now you can go wash your hands again. I'll put this in the fridge for 20 minutes. Then we'll ball it up. I think those might have been my best chocolate chip cookies yet. Here is your chocolate chip cookie.
Oh, look at the little tiny ones, they're so cute. I think it could have used more salt. Hey, Paul. So here's the story. I was headed to Denver on a trip to see my friends from EKD. That's the kitchen company I use. How's it going?
You ready for the trip?
Just as I was getting ready to pack, my dryer stopped working. Bad timing. What I'm doing right now is I'm doing my laundry. You should see, I just got a brand new washer and dryer. Can I just tell you, laundry never looked so good. These machines are really amazing, and I was kind of going through and figuring out how to use it when my friend from EKD, Paul, called me and FaceTimed me. So I took the opportunity to share with him my new knowledge and my new toys. It's amazing. It's Samsung, it's smart, it's a front load. Want to see more? Here.
Listen, I'm calling.
Well, no, wait, I gotta show you more, Isn't this cool? It's called the Swirl Plus. It pulls even more water out of your clothes when it's in the washer than it ever did before. Best part, it's a steamer.
What do you mean?
What steam does is it actually takes all of the stains out of your clothes without having to pre-treat it. It just cleans your clothes so much faster and so much better, and I'm wondering if maybe I could throw some broccoli in there at the same time. You wanna hear the details of the dryer? Whoa! Now,
Rebecca,
yes.
your new washer and dryer. See you this weekend, okay?
Okay, but let me just, wait a second. I wanna show you my dryer because it's so cool. It's also got the Steam Sanitize Plus, which means that It actually kills 99% of the germs on your clothes when you dry them, 95% of the pollen. Don't ever have to worry about getting hay fever from your jeans anymore, and 100% of the dust mites. And I'm gonna tell you this, I am allergic to dust mites. Bada bing, bada bang, baby. Best thing for sheets ever. But look at this, wait.
I'm so happy for you.
Me too. Oh, wait. Look at this. This tray, you can put like your unmentionables, which I won't mention because they are unmentionables, on one of these little tray things here. And as the dryer goes around and around, it dries your clothes, but it doesn't agitate them, so it's perfect for super, super soft stuff. And, oh my gosh, are you there? 20 minutes into our phone call, he must have driven through some sort of a tunnel or something. Our phone call dropped. I was just getting to the good part. Let's see here. I need to find somebody else. Tyler Stevens. Hey, Kelly. Oh my gosh, wait till you see this. Luckily, Kelly works from my home. So I grabbed her and I finished telling her all about the cool things that these appliances offer. I got my new washer and dryer from Samsung.
Fancy.
Aren't they pretty? This is a larger than usual capacity. So it can hold more clothes, so you do fewer, loads of laundry.
You did just go shopping.
I know, right?
Yeah, I know.
I told Kelly about my absolute favorite thing about the new washer and dryer, and that is the Bixby-enabled Wi-Fi connectivity. That is a mouthful, and what it really means is I can do it from my phone. I don't like to wait for laundry, do you?
Right.
It will perfectly clean your clothes in 30 minutes or less. This one is like super speed, and I'm doing it in 22 minutes.
Okay.
I like that. But look at this, wait till you see this app. It actually shows me.
Oh, how far along your wash cycle
It is, and exactly what it's doing when, the temperature, the spin, the soil level. And get this, Kelly, it tells me finishing time, 3:38 p.m. Or maybe my favorite part is the Energy Star certification, which actually just means I save money and I save energy. Oh, and guess what else? Do you know, you don't know this because we've never spent time in my laundry room together. So my old washer and dryer,
Yeah.
they opened this way and this way.
Uh-huh.
Do you know what that means? You have to go around the door to get into the next one.
Oh, right.
This one opens this way.
Okay.
And you know why? Because the door on this is reversible. Hey, you don't have a washer and dryer, do you?
No. And dry.
Well, from now on,
I could do it.
you have an open invitation if you'd like to come to work in the morning and put a little load of clothes in clothes in. I'm telling you now, there's some employee benefits. Never underestimate the benefits of a beautiful washer and dryer. That's what I say. So thanks, Samsung, for helping me get to Denver with absolutely clean clothes and for providing me a washer and dryer that looks absolutely beautiful. It makes me want to do my laundry. Now that is a new feeling, trust me.
You guys, our Kinwoven team has grown so much this year. We're like a little family.
And you've already met Kelly, our new girl. She's the garland ribbon extraordinaire.
No. I also am pretty good at numbers. I am the project manager for the Cliff House, and I do all of the accounting and finance work here at Kinwoven.
Boom! But there is someone else you may not have seen yet, and that's because he's usually on the other side of the camera.
Hi, I'm David and I recently joined the Kinwoven team as a videographer. I'm Peruvian and I speak fast. Besides being a cameraman for Kinwoven, I'm also a chef and went to culinary school. So this year I got tasked with cooking the whole Thanksgiving dinner for Kinwoven.
It was incredible. We were all so crazy impressed. This is the first time we've ever seen David cook, and oh my gosh, he is like a legitimate professional chef. Over the course of this holiday season, we've had 12 stockings hung.
"11 cute scout moments."
And dance breaks.
Nine Christmas-themed videos.
Eight curtain fairy life.
Seven broken ornaments.
Ooh.
Woo!
Get up.
Unfortunate. I'm having a hard time, aren't I? I dropped my icicles. All in one fell swoop, too.
6 special bird friends.
Oh my gosh! This is the day he's been waiting for, the day he can go out and have fun. Are you silly? Oh my gosh, so cool!
I want to introduce you to Willie. Willie the wise owl.
You should see it.
Over here.
Oh, he's preening you. Oh, he's in love.
Oh,
What did that mean?
you've needed a preening.
I think he might have to go to the bathroom, so he's telling me.
Oh, that's what that is. Oh, thank you for telling us, Tyler. I love a bird that can talk.
Especially when he has to go potty.
Yeah,
Not on your shoulder.
I know.
I was worried about
Or while he was preening.
Yeah.
You know, the other Tyler.
What does that mean? 5-course gourmet meal. Four Christmas tree mishaps.
It's not gonna fit.
That's weird. That's a circle. This must be the bottom piece. But why would this be ACB? Oh, Lord. I don't have time for this.
I wonder if they just mislabeled them.
They must have.
So we've got 2/3 of our tree, and we're missing a third, and a very important third. I have a feeling that this isn't right. This tree is freaking huge.
It's too big. It's just too big. It's just way bigger than I thought it was.
Tyler, where's the stand? It's not in there?
We are tree afflicted. 3 staircases.
Two new appliances.
Oh, you can tell I do laundry a lot.
Yeah, I got my teeth cleaned for this video.
Got my teeth cleaned for this video. And 1,093,000 views.
All together now.
And 1,093,000 views. Thanks again to Samsung for sponsoring today's video, and especially for my washer and dryer. I absolutely love them. So if you guys are interested, click in the link below in the description box and it'll take you straight to their website.
And thank you guys so much for all of your support, being along for this journey of us embarking on this new thing called Kinwoven. This has been such a fun and exciting season for us. You guys have been such a great support in that. I want to tell you, next year is going to be an amazing year full of amazing content. You might even get a sneak peek on where we end up moving and the journey that we get to figure out where that is.
Yes, and you know what's really funny?
What?
People think that we're automatically going to Texas. Oh
wait.
no, that is so not true. We have 4 other states that we're going to be visiting, and we're going to be taking you along with us. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
We'll see you guys next year.
Bye-bye. Next time on Becoming Kinwoven.
They put a sprayer on the toilet.
Okay,
Come here. Muy poquito. I mean, I really don't.
I mean, the hills and the farm, it is.
But hopefully no septic tank.
If you're in the boonies, you have to have a septic tank. Yeah.
That's how it works?
Yeah, that's how it works.
Can I get a big septic tank? Because my husband's lactose intolerant.